Hello girls, good morning everyone. How are you today? For today we have the lesson 10.11 order fractions and mixed numbers. In this lesson girls, you'll be able to put in order the fractions and the mixed numbers from least to greatest and also from greatest to least. As you know, in comparing, we look always to have same numerator or denominator in fractions. And to compare mixed numbers, we always look at the whole number first. To know how to order fractions and mixed numbers, remember this note. We should have same denominator, or also we can work in same numerator. Let's start first by ordering fractions. We have this example and we should order these fractions from least to greatest. As you see, we have many fractions here and not all of them have same numerator or same denominator. What we should do first? Remember girls, when you want to order fractions and also mixed numbers from least to greatest or greatest to least, you should have same denominator. Look at them here. In the denominator they have 6, 2, 3 and 6. So we have two fractions that have 6. We can think about the 1/2 and 2/3. They are equivalent fractions for another fraction that have the denominator 6. How is that? Think about 1/2. Can you change this 1/2 into a denominator of 6? Yes, we can multiply the 2 in the denominator by 3 to get 6. So we will multiply both of them by 3. So why we are doing this step? Because we want to make all the fractions the same denominator 6. So look at here. 1/2 we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3, so we'll get a new fraction that is 3 out of 6. When we have 2/3 here, we can multiply the 3 by 2 to get the denominator 6, so we can multiply both of them by 2, so we'll have 4 out of 6. So, and the last fraction is 2 out of 6, nothing changed. As you see here, we have those fractions. 5 out of 6, 3 out of 6, 4 out of 6, and 2 out of 6. Now they are all have same denominator, so I can compare and order them easily. How is that? First, we will take 2 out of 6 because it's the least in the numerator. You know the rule that when we have same denominator, we will take the greatest numerator. So here we'll take the least one because we are ordering from least to greatest. So we'll take first 2 out of 6. Then we will take 3 out of 6, that is 1/2. Then we will take 4 out of 6, that is 2/3. And the last one is 5 out of 6. As you see here, 2 out of 6, 1/2, 2/3. These my main fractions and 5/6. Okay, did you get the idea, girls? Again, to order fractions, you should look first to same denominator. If you don't have same denominator, you should make them same denominator, right? Let's try this example. Write these fractions in order from least to greatest. So 3 and 5 out of 6, 2 and 2 out of 3, and last one 2 and 2 out of 9. What kind of fractions these? They are mixed numbers because here we have whole. Remember, when we have mixed numbers, we should compare and order them using the whole first. Look at the whole in both of them. 3 and the second one we have 2 and the third one we have 2 also. So to order them from least to greatest, we should take what? The two mixed numbers that have the 2 first. So here we will write 3 and 5 out of 6, the last one, because this is the greatest, right? I will write it the last. Now you'll compare between these two mixed numbers. In the 2 and 2/3, we have the whole number 2. And in the 2 and 2/9, we have also the whole number 2. So when the whole number is equal, what we should do? We will go to the fractions. So we have 2/3 and 2 out of 9. Which type of fraction is this? They have same numerator, as you see the 2 here in the numerator in the red circle. Can you see them, girls? So They are same numerator. The rule said when I have same numerator, I will go to the less denominator. Remember? Same n less d. So I will go and take the less denominator to be the greatest one. Right? So which one is the greatest now? 2 and 2/3. So I will write it in the middle, and the first one is the least mixed number, that is 2 and 2/9. Did you get the idea, girls? So here we just put the greatest one in the last, and then I put in the middle the next greatest or the greater between these two fractions. Then the least one is 2 and 2/9. That's it for today. See you.